It is sentencing day for Brendan Banfield. He will return to the courtroom one last time before learning his fate for the murders of his wife and another man who he framed.
It's a story that made international headlines over the past 3 years, and his sentencing this morning brings it all to a close. Let's go out live right now to reporter Leanna Golden at the courthouse. So, Leanna, what can we expect?
Well, guys, it'll likely be a packed courtroom this morning here at the Fairfax County Courthouse. And what is key here is that before Banfield hears his sentence, he'll have to hear from family members of the people he killed. They will deliver their victim impact statements. It is often a deeply emotional moment inside of the courtroom, a chance for them to share the toll that his irreversible actions have had on their lives all of these years. Now, Banfield faces a mandatory life sentence. Let's take you back to February 2022 when his affair with the au pair Juliana Perez Magalhães began. Records show that's about when he started planning his wife Christine's murder. He made a fake account on a fetish website posing as Christine to lure Joe Ryan, a total stranger, to the Banfield house in the hopes of making the murders look like a home invasion gone wrong. Now, January 2023, that's when he buys a gun, trained Magalhães how to use it, and about a month later, Christine and Ryan were both murdered with gunshot and stab wounds. Let's fast forward to trial. More than 2 years later, all of the gruesome details come out as to how they did it together. Banfield ended up taking the stand in his own defense, a very rare move, while Magalhães got up there to testify against him. She took a plea deal and is currently serving a 10-year sentence. Now, I saw Banfield in court yesterday. It was a hearing, kind of a last-ditch motion here from his lawyers to try to challenge that verdict. A judge very, very quickly turned it down. He came out in a green jumpsuit, very little emotion on his face. He kind of gave the gallery one last long glance before exiting the courtroom. Now, we'll have a crew inside of that sentencing later this morning. Of course, stick with 7 News for the very latest. For now, reporting live from the courthouse, I'm Leanna Golden, 7 News.
Well, 7 News will be in the courtroom today for Banfield's sentencing. You can watch it live on our homepage, the free 7 News mobile app, or the 7 News YouTube page. And there you can also find all of our coverage over the years.